The obsidian fieldlands are defined by their scale. A massive river network cuts directly through the region, flowing from the northeast down to the southwest. For terrestrial species, this rushing water creates a natural barrier, dividing the land into distinct biomes. Looking at this map of the obsidian fieldlands, you can locate the southern choke point, where the divide is narrowest. Tracing the river reveals a logistical problem. Crossing requires a bridge, but in ancient Hisui, human infrastructure doesn't exist yet. Yet, right at this choke point, a functional solution appears: a partially submerged land bridge built entirely without human hands. The structure uses an arrangement of raw boulders, wooden stakes, and branches, locked together to form a stable crossing. The Tidewater Dam demonstrates that Hisui's landscape isn't static geography, it is being actively modified by its native inhabitants. The architects behind this construction are the local populations of Bidoof and Bibarel. Driven by instinct, they fell trees and gather stones to construct these beaver-style dams. This diagram shows the mechanics. The arrangement of sticks and boulders chokes the river flow, creating a stable surface. By slowing the water, they physically linked separated regions, creating a direct terrestrial route between nature's pantry and the heartwood. But utilizing this crossing comes with risk. The builders recognize the value of their work and they defend their territory. The bridge is protected by two specific fixed alphas. Anyone attempting to cross must navigate past a level 16 alpha bibarel and a level 30 alpha cricketoon. The local ecology enforces strict rules around these protectors. Other non-fixed alpha Pokemon will not enter the area until the frenzy of the subregion's noble Pokemon has been officially quelled. Through biological engineering, the Bibarel have turned a segment of open water into a highly defended, strategic land bridge. Because of its physical stability, the dam acts as a biological hub. It attracts a multi-species food web that relies on this modified geography. During the day, the baseline activity is robust. Flocks of starly and staravia patrol the area, while cricketot thrive directly on the physical structure of the dam itself. Once the sun sets, a nocturnal shift takes over. The airspace above the dam is claimed by Zubat and Golbat. The ecosystem also extends into interactive microhabitats immediately surrounding the water's edge. Investigate a shaking tree, and you'll find plant cloak burmy inside. Break open a trembling ore deposit, and you'll find geodudes concealed inside the rock. The dam provides the physical structure that supports these layered day-night populations, anchoring a diverse food web to a single point on the map. So, the baseline is clear. Tidewater Dam is a predictable site of natural engineering operating on a day-night cycle. This predictable cycle stops when a space-time distortion manifests. When a distortion engulfs the dam, the native biological web is overridden. The local wildlife disappears, replaced by aggressive predators that do not belong in the current timeline. The invaders are Jotonian forms Sneasel and Weavile. Ranging from level 20 to a lethal level 75, they turn a peaceful transit route into a high-threat zone. Even when the skies are clear, the dam holds one final detail for those willing to inspect the river's edge. Once a player acquires the unknown research notes, investigating the very edge of the river at the dam reveals a hidden unknown, adding a layer of cryptic lore to the geography. Tidewater Dam brings together the biological engineering, regional geography, and the unpredictable anomalies of Hisui into a single functional location.